YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. We talking about some PEPE today. We talking about some Bitcoin, breaking it all down. As you guys can see, total market cap coming in at 3.3. The Fear Greed Index coming in at 57. Bitcoin coming in at 105. It is a day of volatility. It is a Wednesday. People want to know, is Bitcoin gonna ever catch some support, or is it just breaking down, right? Before we get into the video, though, I gotta let you guys know too, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J. Don't ever buy anything you see in these videos. Okay, let's go. As you guys can see, Bitcoin actually breaking down off of a 105.5, which is, again, key level of support for Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin gonna start dropping down? Earlier today, it was at 104. Now it's, testing some key levels of resistance, and it looks like it possibly is rejecting off of them. I'm definitely thinking that Bitcoin might be looking at a situation where it might see some more sell-off in the short term. We do talk about volatility in this market, especially when Bitcoin is about to rip up and make a new all-time high, right? Bitcoin creating a giant cup and handle, and again, people wondering, is Bitcoin being overbought right now, or is Bitcoin need some price action? Let's see if we can get this page pulled up. All right, cool. So we finally got Bitcoin pulled up. Sorry about that. But as you guys can see, this is what I was saying. Bitcoin possibly creating this shoulder, right? It's telling you guys we got to be careful about that, especially going in to Wednesday. We're no longer creating higher lows. Now we're starting to create a lower high here, right? Because we had a nasty little close right there. But again, is Bitcoin going to create a shoulder? We watched this shoulder play out right here. That's what caused the sell-off. And now look, we have another shoulder, head in the middle, and a shoulder. And again, guys, this could be a situation where we see the market take a spill going into the next couple of days. And we do know that, again, the market moves on a Thursday. Last time it moved in a down fashion. So again, there's a chance that we do drop down a little bit more. Maybe we'll create some kind of a wedge or something like that. It's definitely a possibility. It's not necessarily a bad thing. Again, these corrections do take time to play out, but if you can weather the storm, sometimes, historically at least, it has, played out for you. And I don't know that, again, it's going to continue going up. I don't know that that's going to happen. It could definitely break down. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but Bitcoin is so far undefeated so far. But let's see also PEPE Coin. If PEPE Coin could weather the storm, that's what people want to know. They want to know, can PEPE Coin weather the storm? You guys could see PEPE coming in at a 5 billion market cap. It's been holding pretty good. I mean, the past 7 days we're down 10%, but the market's down too. In the past month, PEPE Coin's still up 53%. Rocking and rolling, seeing some good signs of growth, in my opinion, on this 1 month even. I mean, this coin is looking like it has demand. When Bitcoin's pumping, PEPE Coin's pumping. That's what I like to see in these coins. I like to see that they have demand on these times of Bitcoin volatility. But again, that's just kind of how I feel about the 1 month chart. And again, the 1 year chart looking like we might need to see some correction coming soon on PEPE Coin, which again, totally fine. PEPE does not have a lot of holders, even considering some of these other projects that have a lot of holders. Like Toshi. Toshi has like twice as many holders almost as PEPE Coin does now. So it's just kind of tells you like 446,000 people holding PEPE Coin. Toshi has almost double that. They're close to 700,000 now. So again, we were early on both of these projects. I do think PEPE Coin will have some good upside. It's still trending number 8 over here on Dex Tools. You can see there's a demand for it. There's a lot of manipulation in a coin like this, of course, but you guys can see a lot of big buy orders and a lot of big sell orders. Whales are definitely no stranger to PEPE Coin, and which is a blessing and a curse, right? Because sometimes that could mean heavy volatility for your coin. But also look at PEPE Coin just looking like a giant bull flag on the weekly chart. It's just in my opinion, looking pretty good for Pepe. For the people that are going to be patient on it, maybe again, it could have another giant spike up like it did here, creates this bull flag, shoots up again, like bull flag right here. Pepe's looking solid, man. Coming in at number 9. I'm still pumped on this coin. We've been talking about it for years now. So we'll see how it plays out. Again, I don't know. The market could take a giant dump and PEPE Coin could go down a lot. You know, never buy anything that you see on the channel as always. But yeah, if you guys want to join me over on Patreon as well, you can do that. I will leave the link in the description below. So join in on Patreon and you guys can tap into the Telegram. And I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.